Oh yikes, hello everybody, welcome back. We just got back from filming the Canadian Pacific holiday train. We're in Bensenville, Illinois, and when we parked, we found this. Thought we might as well just take a look at it. So, it's Chicago Gravel Company, engine number 18. Look at that. Then there's a wigwag crossing, switch, one of the water pumps, one of the old-fashioned lights. See, there's the wigwag. There's the active Canadian Pacific line. And the engine and the tender are covered with lights. Covered with lights. There's one of the old carriage cars. I'll do that. There's one of the old carriage cars where they used to carry the luggage onto the trains. There's Milwaukee Road, Mount St. Helens car. And then Milwaukee Road caboose number 992114. Alright guys, we will see you next time. Bye.